Okay.
It has started recording.
Great. So look, what I am teaching today. I am teaching today. I am teaching today present perfect continuous tense. Again, you listen to me carefully. Present perfect continuous tense. This is something different than present continuous tense. Present continuous tense, what is the example of present continuous? Like, she is studying. I am playing. You can say, I'm playing. Okay, they are learning. You can say, my dad is walking. Means subject, am is are, and verb ing. Means you are not like describing the timing, but whenever you start like explaining the timing, the sentence is changed. You say, I'm playing, but if you're adding, I'm playing for half an hour, then this sentence goes for present perfect continuous. If you say, I'm learning English for a month, एक महीने से मैं इंग्लिश सीख रही हूँ. If you say only I'm learning English, so you can say I'm learning English, मैं सीख रही हूँ, and then this sentence will be from present continuous tense. But if you say कि मैं 2 घंटे से क्रिकेट खेल रही हूँ, जैसे आपने टाइम ऐड कर दिया, यू डोंट हैव टू से आई एम प्लेइंग, यू हैव टू से आई हैव बीन प्लेइंग. अंडरस्टैंड? आई हैव बीन प्लेइंग क्रिकेट फॉर 2 hours. तो वी हैव टू टॉक अबाउट द एक्शंस. एक्शंस क्या है? जैसे सिंग, सिंगिंग. लुक, यूर like this, she has been a doctor, you are not talking about her action. Okay, like she has been playing, she has been learning, she has been doing, she's been. So means the work is what? Means verb plus ing. Verb plus ing means what? Playing. What are the other words? Tell me. Playing, discussing,
Playing,
walking.
discussing, um,
Tell me.
walking,
Yes,
walking,
yes,
telling,
good.
understanding.
Yeah. So now the action you can talk about. If we are talking about the timing, their timing. Suppose we are talking, हम बात कर रहे हैं. If we talk about कि since how long, कितने देर से, तो you can say we have been talking for half an hour, or we have been talking since 9 o'clock. अब
Yes,
आप
sir.
बोलो, you can say कि मैं आ, 1 महीने से इंग्लिश सीख रही हूँ. हाउ टू मेक दिस सेंटेंस?
I have been, I have been learning English since
नो,
three
1 महीना यानी कि फॉर अ मंथ.
for a month.
And when you have to talk about the particular timing like 2nd of January, अगर आपको बोलना हो कि मैं 2nd January 2021 से इंग्लिश सीख रही हूँ, then you have to start since 2nd January 2021. फिर से बोलिए, मैं 2nd January 2021 से इंग्लिश सीख रही हूँ. बोलिए.
I have been learning English since second of January 2020.
अब आप you can say my dad is walking for half an hour. My
My dad
mother, हाँ,
is
tell me.
working for
Okay,
half
now,
an hour.
okay, now tell me some more examples. Do you understand what I'm trying to ask you? Tell me
Yes,
some
sir.
more examples. Yeah, tell me more examples.
Okay, should I type or I can say?
Yeah, if you type, then I will correct it. Take
Okay,
again
I will
5 minutes because today we are having a lot of practice for your classwork task. I would like to see how to use since and for And how to use has been or have been. Look, you have written here she has been a doctor. No, she has been treating. Otherwise, she has been singing. This is okay. Her mother has been not president. Her mother has been okay. You have to speak or you have to write down some action, the action word like singing, dancing, learning, cooking. She has and not she has been okay, she has been learning, she has been going. So let me see how many sentences that you have been making. Okay, send me. So write minimum 20 sentences. Okay, now I'll stop recording.